Hey everyone, and welcome to the complete Suno AI course, Create and Monetize Music. My name is Niamul Hassan and I'm your instructor for this course. I am so excited you are here. In this course, I am going to teach you an incredible tool called Suno Music Generator. With this tool, we'll create amazing music. You don't need to play an instrument, you don't need to know music theory, and you definitely don't need an expensive studio. All you need is an idea, your prompt, and rest of the things will look after by Suno AI Music Generator. This course is a complete step-by-step guide to mastering Suno. We are going to take you from the absolute basics all the way to creating professional quality music and even understanding how to monetize it. By the end of this course, you won't just know how to use Suno, you will know how to use it like a pro. You will have the skills to turn any idea into a finished song, a portfolio of work you can be proud of, and a clear understanding of how to navigate the business and legal side of AI music. So what are we going to cover? We have broken this journey down into simple, easy to follow section. First, we start with the introduction where we'll cover what Suno is, how to get your free account set up, and explore who this course is for, from hobbyists to content creators and musicians. Then we'll dive into the most important skill you will learn, the art of prompt writing. You will learn my 4 pillars method for crafting perfect style prompts, how to master lyrics structure for amazing vocal delivery, and we will even have a hands-on lab for advanced formatting. Next, we will explore the power of Suno Music Generator, breaking down the difference between the simple and custom mode and analyzing the pricing plans so you can choose what's best for you. Then we will put all that theory into practice in our Suno Music project section. This is where you will get hands-on creating everything from a professional podcast jingle to a high energy anthem with your own custom lyrics and even an emotional cinematic orchestral score. Once you know how to create amazing music, we will show you how to make money from it. In our Suno AI music monetization section, we will cover the golden rule of commercial rights, how to distribute your music to Spotify and Apple Music, and compare the top distributors so you can make the right choice. And finally, we'll tackle the big legal questions in our AI music copyright and ethics section. We will demystify copyright law for AI music and break down the landmark RIA versus Suno lawsuit so you understand the risk and opportunities. This curriculum is designed to be a complete transformation. You will go from someone who is just curious about AI music to a confident creator who can produce, polish, and publish original songs. The future of music is a collaboration between human creativity and these incredible new tools. You are about to become a part of it. Here are some of the sample music we are going to create in Suno AI.
And I can feel it in the air, the moment that we're meant to share. Tonight we're running wild and free.
So before enrolling this course, I request you to look at the description of the course and look at the curriculum. Then if you are happy, enroll the course and learn the top AI music generator. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. I can't wait to see what you create. Let's not waste any more time. Let's jump right into the next lecture.